Yeah, now it is. So Jenny, do you want a drink?
Yeah. Where are her lips?
These are on your height. Iced tea, right? Yeah.
Okay, so.
So greedy, Talia. Are you allergic? Not for you, Talia.
I'm not gonna touch that.
Can't reach Jenny.
Yes. Stop it.
I guess she's allergic too. So sad, they're missing out.
I can't see anything.
Oh, so sad, they're missing out. Can you still see me?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I mean I can't see you.
Oh. Zoom in on them.
How? Okay. Oh, my hand is bright.
All done. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Talia.